Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to export a Notion database. Let's dive into why this process is so beneficial. Imagine you've spent countless hours organizing your data, creating wikis, and planning projects within Notion. Whether you want to safeguard your data, share it with someone who isn't part of your workspace, or simply need an offline version for peace of mind, exporting your Notion database is the solution. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to effortlessly export your database, preserving all your hard work in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started with the step-by-step process of exporting a Notion database. First, you'll want to access your Notion workspace. This is essentially your digital hub where all your important documents, project plans, and wikis reside. To reach this, head over to the Notion homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Now, let's talk about logging in. Look for the Login button, which is usually found in the upper right corner of your screen. Notion offers various ways to log in. For a swift and hassle-free experience, consider using the Continue with Google option. This method is great for those who prefer not remembering yet another password. Plus, it's fast and efficient. After clicking Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Simply select the account tied to your Notion account. By doing so, you'll grant the necessary permissions to access your basic Google profile information, making the login process smooth and hassle-free. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to locate the specific database you intend to export. Navigate through your workspace until you find it. Notion databases are where you store your structured data. This could be anything from task lists and project timelines to inventory catalogs. These databases are incredibly versatile and can hold a wide array of information. Upon finding your database, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice 3 dots aligned vertically. This is the menu button. By clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with various options. In this menu, the option you're looking for is Export. It might be a bit hidden, but it's there to ensure the interface remains clean and user-friendly. Click on Export, and you're nearly done with the process. After selecting Export, a pop-up window will display export settings. This is where you can choose the file format and other preferences for your exported data. Notion provides a variety of format options to suit your specific needs, whether you're transferring data to another platform or just want a readable backup. Once you've made your selections, you'll see another export button within this window. Click on it to begin the exporting process. And just like that, you're on your way to having your database exported. Depending on the size of your database, this process might take a few moments. Once it's ready, the file will automatically download to your device, giving you a local copy of your Notion database right at your fingertips. Exporting your Notion database is straightforward and doesn't have to be daunting. By following these simple steps, you're not just securing your data, but also making it more accessible for future purposes. Whether it's for archiving, data analysis, or sharing with collaborators outside of Notion, knowing how to efficiently export your databases is a valuable skill in managing your digital workspace. That's it for this tutorial on how to export a Notion database. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.